Now, the new numbers out today also show a dramatic change in hospitalizations across all of Western New York. Just in the past week, numbers have doubled. This spike has local hospitals reevaluating current rules for visitations and surgeries. 7 Eyewitness News senior reporter Eileen Buckley takes a deeper dive into these climbing numbers.
This is going to be a difficult time these next few months.
126 COVID patients are in Western New York hospitals. 84 of those cases are in Erie County. 17 are in the ICU. 7 of those patients require an airway assist, with 1 patient death. This is the highest hospitalization rate for the county since June 10th. Dr. Peter Winkelstein is with the Jacobs School of Medicine. He says the increase in hospitalizations goes hand in hand with the spike in the positivity rates.
Because ultimately, if the cases keep rising and the number of patients in the hospital keep rising, at some point you have to say it's out of control and we have to lock it all down.
Erie County Health Commissioner Dr. Gail Burstein presented Dr. Winkelstein's graph during the COVID briefing, showing that when restrictions are not followed, hospitalizations rise.
We are quickly inching our way up to the steep slope where we're going to see an exponential explosion of hospital admissions if we don't take action now.
But this time, younger people are landing in the hospital. 44% of COVID hospital patients in the county were under the age of 65.
They're much less likely to get very sick, and they're much more likely to recover quickly. We also have improved treatment.
Winkelstein says many lessons were learned during the first wave of COVID, and now hospitals are in better shape to provide treatments.
So the good news is that people who are coming to the hospital now, we can get them better and get them home more quickly than we could in the spring.
But Winkelstein is warning everyone that it's going to be a tough holiday season.
This is the time we've got to get through, and when we hit next spring, I think we'll be through the worst of it.
As hospitals see more COVID cases, the doctor says the best way to contain this fall outbreak is all in our hands and how we behave. In Buffalo, Eileen Buckley, 7 Eyewitness News.